Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. As you can see, I got my own Tetris back. Honestly, I did not expect this, but yes guys, I finally got my own Tetris back. Huge shout out to Alina1008 for accepting I traded Dolphin Tetris and a rare item on the Tetris for non-Tetris. I believe I was one good long under. Anyway guys, I'm really happy I finally got my own Tetris back. Please tell me if this is like one of the best moments, honestly. I can't say anything. The trick to getting headdress is quick. Guys, there is basically no trick. And no, it's not scamming. Scamming just doesn't lead you anywhere. The best you could get. Maybe I shouldn't even mention it. Scamming won't lead you anywhere, so just don't scam. My best opinion say would be just I believe I made a video on avoiding scams. I don't know. Okay, I did not, so I'll be giving you guys the tips on how to avoid scams. Trust is always a scam. I'll tell you that 95% of the time it's a scam. You can't flash anymore, so let's not mention flash tweeting. Also, gifting wars. Guys, do. Basically, one of the best tricks to avoid scamming is also gifting wars, like I said before. Most of the time they end up in scamming saying like, I'll give away a red long wrist or blue shirt collar or whatever, black long collar. Thank you. They're just trying to grab your attention to your big prize, and then they probably give the prize to the backup. Honestly, I really can't say much on how to avoid them. All I gotta say is just don't trust. I mean, guys, honestly, I fall for scams most of the time. I'm just so vulnerable. Finding how to avoid scams. Anyway, another good way to get real quick is to keep on trying your best. Don't give up no matter what someone says. Do not quit yourself. I bet you one day you can finally get there. Okay? So guys, anyway, it just takes tons of effort to get a headdress, okay? Now as you can see, headdress is not one of the most easiest things to get. What are my tips on getting one? I definitely recommend doing adventures like the Forgotten Desert. They may not give you spikes and stuff, but they can give you clothing pieces and tiny stuff that are useful. Don't beg. Begging will not get you anywhere. Most of the time, your buddies will just unbuddy you because of begging. So whatever I say, do not beg, okay? No begging. Well, if you guys really want to try to get a headdress, it really does take quite some time and quite some effort. Honestly, I've seen a bunch of jammers who have always dreamed of getting a headdress, and it takes them like 2 years just to get them. What's my recommendation on that? Just don't give up, okay? And I know quicker tricks. You guys can just keep on trying your best. Okay? So, that's gonna be it for today's video. Bye.